Hi, the American teeth in Poland varies strongly by interaction and this position in a world of poses. There are five from branching teeth with different position. Rule 1. Teeth the beginning of the word is always straight and strong. Top, table, to chase, terrible. It sometimes is not along in the beginning of lifetime. Worth of with 80 and a lot of is also saw asking. Street, stop, stare, stupid. And rule 2. Thin or near the middle work from to make a soft sound. Betty bother, Betty bother, bitter, better, butter, Buddhian butter. Sorry, Buddhian butter. And rule 3. The end of words, the T silent. Ha, le, fa, go, hit, he, her, wa, no. And rule 3. Rule 4. This is the first sound in the last syllable of a word or an word ending with in. If the T sound is Lucandas, the first sound in the last syllable of a word end. The word is 2 syllable or more, and the word end with the and or in soul. The this silent. Soil, wine, cone, phone, fine. And rule 5. The after end, the T is silent. And Terry, penal, international, interview, internet, interface. Then parting with ed. Ed is the after an unvoiced consonant sound, and ed is the after voice consonant sound. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.